Alright, let's take a look at what we have here. 1966 Shelby Cobra. This particular car is a replica, so you don't have to worry about it costing over $1 million. This particular kit is a classic Roadsters LTD kit, which was founded out of Fargo, North Dakota. A lot of these were made along the East Coast, West Coast. Gentleman, I believe it was Gary Rutherford, founded this company out of Fargo, North Dakota, like I said, and made a longer wheelbase and a little bigger passenger compartment replicas. He did some other Austin Healey's, some other style ones, but obviously along the line, he did one of these Shelby Cobras, which to this day is known as one of the better quality ones. As you can see, this thing is straight. Like I said, it's got a little longer wheelbase. It also has a little larger passenger compartment, which if you've been in them, you know that that's a good thing for where your footwell is and just being able to fit them and drive them. This particular car is powered by a 302, so it is Ford on Ford powered, and it does have an automatic transmission, which was somewhat popular on these back then, because you didn't have to have that third clutch pedal down in that footwell, making it a lot easier to drive. It is riding on American racing wheels that are also vintage from back in that late 80s, early 90s, which coincides when this vehicle would have been built. It is registered as a 1991 kit, so that gives you the time frame of the era that it's from. It was more than likely bought in Iowa, out of North Dakota, from Classic Roadsters LTD, because it does have an Iowa DMV issued VIN. We do have a clear title on it, matching that VIN. But like I said, it is titled as a 1991 kit, and it does have a clear title. And it is a 1966 replica. Take a look at the aluminum side pipes. They do show a little bit of pitting. I'll show you on the other side where it's got a little bit of it too. There's some very small rock chips up in the front that have been touched up, but not very easy to see. I can see a few of those. Car's in very nice shape. Runs out, drives out very, very well. Check out the still pictures if you want to see the underside, the interior, under the hood, engine compartment, trunk. Go ahead and check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give me a call. Give me a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this vehicle. Tank is mounted between the trunk and the rear driver's seats. So that is the fill, that is the true gas fill for it. There's a nice trunk compartment that you can check out at those pictures also. So you can see us riding on BF Goodrich radial TAs. Come around and show you this side pipe too. Again, they're in nice shape, but you will notice a little bit of pitting. You get down underneath there, you can see it from being driven some. Car's odometer, I believe, shows 16,000 miles, which is probably a true mile since it was built. I can't confirm or deny that, but if that was the odometer and gauges that were put in there when it was new, more than likely that is correct mileage. Take a look at the interior. Obviously you can see the seat harnesses for belts. It does have an aftermarket stereo there installed in the back. I haven't powered that up. I haven't got it to power up. Could be something very, very simple. I just want to let you know I haven't had that going yet. I have driven it. Obviously I've had this car running. You can see the interior's in very nice shape. There's a few spots, if I can get them to show up back here, where the carpet has worn. You can kind of see some of those spots where there's kind of the nap of the carpet, or the fabric of the carpet is worn away. The handle for opening the door is underneath here. So I'm going to pop that. Open the doors. You can see the door cards in nice shape. Seats are in nice shape. I'm going to show you a spot here too where there's a few spots. Here you go. You can see where some of that, like I said, the fabric of the carpeting has worn away. Just want to make you aware of that. Other than that, dash and everything, very nice shape. We're going to fire this up here at run. Show you underneath the hood. Again, the 302 automatic transmission. Might have to give it a little gas here. Trying to do it without sitting in the car itself. That's the high idle. I'm going to let it come up in temperature here just a little bit, and we'll get it off the high idle so you can hear how nice this 302 rumbles. Give me a second while we warm it up. I'm going to also open the hood so you can see the engine compartment. Alright, let her warm up a little bit. Here you can see the engine compartment. First off, I'm going to step back so you can hear this on low idle. Listen to that. Beautiful rumble out of that 302. Come up here and look at how nice this is. Chromed out. Very nice install. 302 under there. Great sounding car out of those side pipes. Gives you an idea how it sounds, how it looks underneath the hood. Again, Classic Roadsters Ltd. was the manufacturer of this replica out of Fargo, North Dakota. Has a 302 and an automatic transmission paired with it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just a beautiful 66 Shelby Cobra Replica.